Oh, I look like a football player.
Well, I'm trying to put legs.
Lipstick? Get out of here with lipstick.
Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Damian. My name is Deion. And this is Damian and Deion in Motion. And today we're going to be joined by my cousin Bryan. And today we're going to be doing the Silly Sense Marker Challenge.
We are going to try a Silly Sense Marker Challenge. The channel Pocket.Watch asked us to do Silly Sense Marker Challenge with them. They're a fun channel that is always doing cool new challenges, games, VR, and more. Make sure to subscribe to their channel, check out their playlist. There's a link below to it, and watch their version of the Silly Sense Marker Challenge. Are you guys ready?
Yes. To smell some markers. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Alright, the object of the game, or the object of the challenge for the Silly Sense Marker Challenge is each player is going to be blindfolded. They're each going to smell the same marker, and they each have to guess what color the marker is. If they get the color wrong, the player that gets it wrong, the other players that get it right, they get to draw on the other player's face. Comprende?
Yes. Comprende. Yes, I'm going to make this. Bonjour. I'm going to make this.
Alright, I'm going to have Damian smell it first.
Yep.
Alright, yeah, smell it.
I feel like I got some right here.
Hold on, let's get this. Let's get your nose out. There you go.
That didn't really smell like anything.
Hold on. Smell it, Bryan. Deion, what color do you think it is? Or first of all, what does it smell like?
It smells like lemon.
Okay. So what color do you think it is?
Yellow.
Damian, what color do you think it is?
Orange. Because it smells like an orange.
Bryan, what color do you think it is?
Yellow.
All right.
Oh, yellow.
Take your blindfolds off.
What is it? I knew! Yellow?
Since Damian got it wrong, Bryan and Deion get to draw something on their face.
You're tickling my ear.
All right, Bryan, your turn.
Let me see.
Deion, move your hands. Smell.
Ew.
Bryan?
No.
Oh. There's a weird smell.
This
All right.
really good.
Bryan, what color do you think it is?
Great.
Huh?
Great.
Yeah.
Damian?
Purple.
Purple.
Brown.
Okay, so first of all, what does it smell like?
It's gonna smell like
Mine
cocoa.
smells like grape. Mine smells like chocolate chip.
So this one is smells like chocolate chip.
Yeah.
This one is actually coconut.
Oh.
What?
So
Can I see?
go ahead and see.
Oh,
The only one that got it right was
No!
Bryan. He got it gray.
I thought that smelled like grape.
Oh, no way. Let me see. Don't rub it up. Alright. Damian.
No.
Alright, let me see.
What does it say?
It says loser.
No! I knew that was gonna be one of them.
It says your name on it. You should have wrote it backwards, Bryan, so when you looked in the mirror, you can read it.
My scents are way off.
Alright. Bryan, here it is.
Oh.
Is it bad?
That smells weird.
Deion,
I know this.
hold on. Damian, what color do you think it is?
Green.
Deion, what color do you think it is?
Light green.
Light green?
Light green.
Bryan?
No, I'm gonna go with black.
Black? Okay, what does it smell like?
It smells like mint.
I mean, kind
Toothpaste mint.
They're like mint.
Not toothpaste, but like mint. Mint.
Okay, it is root beer.
What?
Alright, go ahead and take a look.
Brown.
Yeah.
All right, everybody got it wrong.
So, can we all draw on each other?
So,
I'm gonna draw me. Stop moving. No, he messed it up. It's supposed to say PBAP, but he messed this one up. Okay, so I'm gonna make this. What? What is that?
all right, let me see.
What is that?
Looks like a teepee on your nose. What?
I'm gonna make one more thing.
Okay, hurry.
You can't.
All right, that's good. Yeah.
What?
There's
I know.
one line across.
I know what I'm gonna do.
All right, go draw, Damian.
Close your mouth.
Oh, it's a big. Oh, it hurts.
Yeah, you.
Dad, can I see?
Oh snap!
Can I see on the camera? What the? What is this?
You say, what is this?
What? It's PPAP.
Go ahead and smell.
Deion.
Wait.
Oh, I know
Hold on,
this.
smell it
I
again.
know this.
Wait, I can
All right,
smell it.
Brian.
I draw my nose, Dad.
Oh.
All right,
You used to gummies.
Deion,
Not me.
what color is it?
Pink.
Okay. Brian, what color is it?
Purple.
Okay. Damian, what color is it?
Purple.
What smell is it?
Grape.
Great.
Deion, what smell do you think it is?
Lemonade.
Lemonade? All right, go ahead and take a look. That means Damian's face. That means Damian and Brian get to draw on Deion. All right, David, here you go.
Come here.
Can I see?
Hold on. Until Brian finishes.
It's drawing my eye.
Go to Brian now. Let me see, Deion, don't move. All right, Brian.
The two amigos. The two
Draw,
amigos.
draw a booger on him. Oh, once the green comes out.
As the green comes out.
Oh, this is a beer. This is
Obviously.
a purple beer. Kool-Aid beer.
All right, let me see.
This is
What the heck? You look like Tony Stark.
Tony Stark.
Like
All right.
You
All
gotta
right, let's get ready.
You have to unibrow. What the heck?
What's it?
Here we go.
It smells weird.
Okay.
Well, it doesn't smell it, but he sounded weird. It's like,
I want to smell it again.
All
Dad.
right, here.
Oh, this
Brian.
this is good.
This is a
I'm gonna get it. What can it be? Oh, it smells like medicine.
I got it.
Brian, it is your turn. What color do you think it is?
No one was red.
Damian, what color is it?
Pink.
Deion, what color is it?
pink.
Go ahead and take a look.
It's cherry. I knew it.
It is cherry.
Wait, did Deion get cherry?
Nope. No, well, he said
The
pink.
pink.
So Brian gets to draw on both of you again.
No.
He said no.
Why does it hurt? Oh!
All right, let's see. It looks like you got punched in the eye.
Let me see.
All right, Deion's turn.
Let me see.
Let me see me.
Let me see.
Let's see.
Let me see.
Deion.
Brian, ready? Smell.
Oh, my God.
Oh.
Yes, that's good.
Deion?
Oh, I know.
I think this one's the one that I said last time.
Alright, Damian, what color do you think it is?
Pink!
Deion, what color do you think it is?
Pink.
You think it's pink?
See?
Brian, what color do you think it is?
See that song?
What?
Apple's
What?
off.
I take it off?
Smell like Jolly Ranchers.
Green apple. Go ahead, go at
So
it
he
again.
only has like one.
Oh, yeah.
Give it to Brian.
Smell like
Stick
lemon.
it out his nose.
Smell like lemon.
Oh.
It doesn't smell like lemon.
Yeah, this.
Time for a booger.
Oh, not a going.
Alright, Damian's turn.
Put a mocha. Put a mocha. Put a booger. No booger. It gets like you have a booger on top of your nose. A lot of boogers on top of your nose.
It's green sunblock.
Oh, what am I? Oh, what am
Oh.
You look like a cartoon character now with red and green and a mustache. Alright, you ready for the next one? Blindfolds on.
I'm ready.
You're a marker.
Brian,
Oh.
what color do you think it is?
Oh, I know this. Pink?
Again, this is like the third time you said pink.
It's exactly pink.
Alright, Deion?
Pink.
Okay, Brian?
I'm going with pink.
Pink? It is marshmallow.
What? I knew it! I was thinking of that, but I wasn't sure!
Okay,
What?
hold on.
Marshmallow.
Go ahead and take your blindfolds off.
Oh. What? I didn't think I was going to be.
Wait, so everyone, we all get to draw.
You all got it wrong.
I go first.
So this time, you get to draw on Brian, and Brian gets to draw on Deion, and Deion gets to draw on you.
Yes.
Make it.
It
Make
doesn't
it
smell
be
like
like
marshmallow.
that. Make it be like
You smell it
that.
now? No?
It smells different. Now I get that.
You look like a pirate. Or like one of those Three Musketeer guys. Alright, so this time Brian gets to draw on Deion.
Alright.
Oh, you're making me a black guy.
Yep.
You should make it purple. I got punch it. Now I got a purple eye.
You're a Dalmatian. Alright, Deion,
Benji.
your turn to draw.
You look like a heart.
Just like doing whatever you like.
Like rice.
What are you doing?
Okay.
I want to see it so bad.
Are you ready, Deion?
This sounds much.
What
Other
does it
colors
smell
are
like?
there.
It's really good now.
Deion, what color do you think it is?
So brown.
Huh?
Brown.
Surround?
Brown.
Brown?
Brown.
Okay. Brian, what color?
I'm going with orange.
That's what I was
Yeah,
gonna say.
Damian,
Orange.
what color?
Orange. No, Dion, you got brown.
I want to change it. I want orange.
Deion, you said brown.
What is it?
What smell is it?
Orange.
I can't describe the smell.
Alright, go ahead and take your blindfolds off.
Yes!
That means both of you get to draw on Deion.
That is eyes.
Brian looks over the mustache.
Cheeky face. Brian?
This one better be it.
Oh, I know.
Brian, what color is it?
Look.
Deion or Damian?
You might be disappointed, but I want to pink again.
Alright. Deion?
Green.
Alright, go ahead and take a look.
Ah!
Yes, I knew this one was.
Just so you guys know, these are permanent markers, so they're gonna be on your face for a while.
No,
Just kidding.
they better not.
It looks like a pink pirate.
A pink pirate. Where you at? I have like no clue what this is.
I can smell it.
It's right here in front of your face.
But I can't smell it.
Me
Try it
either,
again.
Dad. I'm going again.
Deion, what color is it?
Blue.
Bryan?
Blue.
Blue.
Damian?
A light purple, like a magenta.
So the smell is cotton candy.
Oh my gosh! Don't tell me it's pink again.
Go ahead and take a look.
Oh, it's pink.
Pink.
You should draw one.
Alright, I'll draw something.
Let me see.
Oh, pink lips. Pink lips. Pink lips.
Miranda sings! Yes, it's coming in, baby!
It looks like the same color.
Don't forget your glasses, Bryan. Smell.
This smells so good, but I don't know what it is.
I know what it is.
It smells like that soap from bathrooms.
Bryan, your turn. What color is it?
Baby blue.
Baby blue. Alright.
Baby blue.
Damian?
Baby blue.
Baby blue. Deion?
Baby blue.
The smell is blueberry.
No, but it must be normal blue.
So go ahead and take your blindfolds off. You all got it wrong again.
Illuminati comes first.
You got one eye on your forehead.
Yeah. Actually, he has 3 eyes. But he has 3 eyes.
I don't know what the heck I just
5 eyes.
Oh, I done his ear.
There.
Let me see.
Damian, what color?
Baby blue.
Deion,
Baby blue.
Bryan.
Baby.
Alright. So this isn't even a fruit or anything. It's called fresh air.
I knew it.
I knew it.
Alright?
I knew
Blindfolds
it.
off.
I knew it.
You guys all got it right because you guys
Smell like
knew it was
baby
the last
wipes.
one.
I knew
Smell
it.
like baby wipes?
That's why I said
It
baby
smells
blue.
like baby
That
wipes.
fresh wipe, the
I knew.
the
It
fresh
smells like this.
fresh scent baby wipes.
It smells like this.
Can I draw that?
Your fingers all black.
Zach, can we all draw on you?
Alright, they are getting their revenge on me. Do your work.
I
want it to be beautiful.
Wait.
No, what do you mean, wait. Oh, I look like a football player.
Wait, I'm trying to put legs. I'm trying to
Lipstick? Get out of here, lipstick.
Let me tell you what each picture is.
What did you do?
This is a poop emoji right here. It says poop, PPAP, football, and just weird lines, and then purple, and then a booger right here, and then a beard.
I put it.
A mustache in me, a blue mustache.
This is a
We should all smell one at the same time.
yeah, smell it.
You got like, it looks like you got spaceships on your forehead.
It's more that deep kind of smell.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Bryan, for joining us. This is the Silly Scent Challenge. Be sure to subscribe, comment, follow on Instagram and Musically.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. These were the Silly Scent markers. Make sure to check out Pocket.Watch. We did a challenge with them. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Flip, flip, flip. I literally can't take the blue off.
I need to wet. I need to wet this.
Why can I not?
Yeah, nah.
Yeah, like soap with it or something.
Is it working, Brian?
Nope.
You're gonna have to use some soap.
Wait, the unibrow? Yeah, the unibrow. Do you saw the unibrow?
I don't have a unibrow.
Yeah, yeah.